This is the Kia eQuantum from GM Coachwork, an electric WAV which can carry up to 4 people plus a wheelchair passenger. It's available on the Motability Scheme or for private purchase. Let me show you around. Let's look at it for the wheelchair passenger. Open the tailgate, lower the ramp, and you'll see a spacious cabin with plenty of light. A winch makes it easy to push the wheelchair up the ramp. All you need to do is give it a little bit of guidance. What's great about the Quantum is the wheelchair passenger sits on a level surface in the second row alongside the rear passengers, giving them a much more inclusive experience. The wheelchair passenger gets a great view out of the front, and it's easy for them to chat with the other passengers. And they're kept safe with 4-point wheelchair restraints. Let's have a look up front. Here you get 2 screens. This main one in the middle is for your sat-nav, music, phone and vehicle controls. The smaller one in front of you shows you your speed and battery charge. Talking of batteries, let's talk about that. Plug this in at home and it will cost you around £4 to charge from 20 to 100%. That's quite a saving. Driving it is just like an automatic. It's a keyless system, so you just press the on button, put it into D for drive, and press the accelerator. Easy as that. You can also set the level of regeneration yourself with these paddles. So there we have it, the Kia PV5 eQuantum, combining the low running costs of an EV with all the practicalities of a well-designed wheelchair accessible vehicle. To find out more, including advance payments on the Motability Scheme, get in touch with our team.